Hello everyone, today we are going to see a project demonstration of a Lifi based data transmission. So we know very well that Lifi, which is nothing but light fidelity, it is an bidirectional wireless system that transmits data via LED, light emitting diode or infrared light. So here in this project we made a setup with the help of Arduino and a software where the data will be transferred from the transmitter and it will be received through a diode and it will be displayed in the system. So here you can see the devices like Arduino, CP210, amplifier circuit and a Lifi data transmitter and receiver and power supply unit. And this is a Python program where the data will be, whatever the data will be transferred will be received and it will be displayed in the command prompt. So let us see. The functionality of this project is through the transmitter we are going to transmit a data. So whenever some kind of information was transferred through the push button, the information will be transferred via Lifi module and the data will be received, and whatever the data transferred from the transmitter end will be received and displayed in the PC. For example, here you can see an emergency alert like that, it will be displayed. And this wireless module will work up to 15 meters. The transmitter, the torchlight kind of thing, is a transmitter and a photodiode is a receiver. Here you can see the transmitter is transmitting the data, lightly blinking and sending the data. The photodiode will receive the data and it will be displayed in the PC. So this transmitter and receiver we can keep up to 15 meters of distance, it will transfer the data. The main advantages of this Lifi module is this Lifi can able to transfer the data under the water also. Underwater conditions we can't able to transfer any type of data. So in that situations we can use this kind of technology to transfer the data. So this is a simple module which uses the Lifi technology and transfers the data. But this project can be useful, much useful, and we can able to alter for multiple applications. So this is how. If you require these type of projects, please contact us. Thank you. Thanks for watching.